you're having a wonderful day, because I am. We got 2 deliveries. These are most likely going to be going on the weekend. One's an intake horn and the other is a grid heater delay. In such wonderful weather, I don't need the grid heater. So we're gonna take that thing out and I'll show you the reason why in the install video. Well, without further ado, let's get to it. Again, went with the banks. Same old concept, right? They give you the owner's manual, register your items. They give you the owner's manual, comes with a bank's book, and I'm pretty sure that's also the install manual. And you get a little sticker right there too. You get a bigger boot because your stock intake boot will not work with this intake horn. Your hardware, and it comes with a fuel line, so it has to go around. I'll show you more in the install. But this is everything to install, the install hardware, and then the creme de la creme. Look at the size of that. I mean, that is just massive in comparison to what the stock one is. So yeah, so that's the intake horn. Go ahead and place that right there. All right, next. All right, so you get your hardware. I'm pretty sure that's a reroute for one of the wiring kit. And same thing, gasket and an owner's manual. Oh my goodness, look at that. I mean, all that is non-restricted air to your intake. Yeah, this thing is in great shape. So, aluminum. And then we also have a gasket for that. So, like I said before, I'm looking to put these on this weekend. Look forward to that video. If you like what you saw, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.